Hi, this is the day after. I arrived in Banyuwangi. This is Laura. I met her in Bali and she joined me now on my trip to Java. We'll go to Probolinggo with the train now, and it will be 5 hours, and tomorrow we'll go up to Mount Bromo and I will show you some nice pictures from there. See you. Bye.
Yeah.
After one day in Mount Bromo, we tried to get to Yogyakarta by train, but we kind of forgot to book the tickets, or at least too late, and the train was fully booked. We had to stay one day in Probolinggo. The day after, we came by about 10 to 11 hours train to Yogyakarta, arrived yesterday, and today we'll show you the beautiful city, well known as Jogja. Hey, it's the second day here in Jogja. We met a new friend yesterday. He then invited us to go to, can you say the name?
Parangtritis Beach.
Exactly, it's right in the south of Jogja. I will go see the sunset there and see you down.
See you.
That's it for Indonesia. Had 2 awesome weeks here in Bali and Java. Met so many nice people. Indonesian people are awesome. The food, just really can recommend you to get here. I made an awesome, really nice friendship here with Laura. And yeah, thank you Indonesia. See you in Singapore.